Hello Internet, I hope you're making today an amazing day. Sky here with Branding Media Group, where we do branding with consistency. And welcome to yet another episode of the Branding Podcast. Today we're going to understand 5 things you should know before you start marketing. The things that I'm going to discuss can help you with your initial marketing process, so that you can have a structure to follow when starting with your marketing process. These methods can be applied to all types of platforms, be it social media or search engine, be it organic or paid, even offline or online medium of marketing. The inspiration for these concepts is taken from Modern Marketing with Seth Godin on Udemy. I would highly recommend you to check out his course. I will put the link down in the description. So let's get started. So the first point is find your purpose for marketing. Marketing is not a complicated process if you know and understand people. So the first thing that you need to know is the purpose of your marketing. Marketing is not a complicated process if you know and understand people. So the first thing you need to ask yourself is, what is the purpose of marketing your product or service? However, the perspective you need to refer should be as a customer. What do you want your ideal customer to become or experience? For example, if you are a food delivery service that cooks healthy budget meal, your purpose of marketing can be to reach out people who want to take their health goal to another level by eating healthy food that is pocket friendly as well. So once you identify your purpose, you will be able to understand the cause of your marketing, which is our second point. Point number 2, cause and effects along with side effect. After identifying the purpose of your marketing, you will understand the cause. Causes are the changes we seek to make so that we can know whether it's working or not. Cause and effects are more popular way of doing analysis generally. However, in marketing, we should categorize effects and side effects separately so that we can keep applying what's working for us and eliminate or improve what is not working. So let's say if you market your healthy and budget friendly food delivery service in an area where there are lots of corporate offices, the probable effect could be making corporate employees aware of budget and healthy eating options so that they can opt for your service. However, the side effect of this could be you are losing visibility from the potential audience in sports districts or gyms who are more likely to opt for the service. This brings us to our point number 3. The third thing you should know before start marketing is what it is for. This is a very important question you need to ask yourself and identify it from the lens of your consumer. What difference it will make in their life. Discover how this will transform their life. The better way to do this is with empathy, which is a whole different topic and detailed topic in terms of marketing. The most simple way to do that is in terms of what to what. So our hypothetical healthy budget-friendly food delivery service. This can be answered as transform your diet from unhealthy and expensive to healthy and tasty without burning a hole in your pocket. After this comes our point number 4. So point number 4 is, who is it for? As we discussed earlier in our first podcast, make sure you check it out to have a better understanding. Marketing is a process of putting your products and services in front of the right people at the right place and the right time. So to answer this, you need to consider 2 factors: demographics and psychographics. Demographics helps you to understand the age group, gender, income group, home ownership status, and parental status. By understanding these things, you will be able to understand who needs your service rather than whom you want to provide your service. Psychographics helps you to understand what your ideal customer believes in, what do they want, what is their view of the world. Psychographics helps you to understand the emotional aspects of your customer, which makes it easier for you to deliver the right message about your product or service. People in general don't want to know each and every information about what you provide. They want to know if you provide something which matters to them. So for our healthy food delivery service, people may not care about how much protein you have in a meal, but they may care about whether it's organic or not. And that brings us to our last and fifth point. What is your promise? The promise that you make as a brand plays an important role in marketing because your promise acts as a North Star for the brand in the future. We need to make sure that we always meet our promise as a brand and try to over deliver it rather than over promise and under deliver. A promise does not have to be a big thing. Your promise can be a very simple thing, such as for the food delivery service that make sure you eat healthy meal on time, because the promise is something which distinguish the brand among companies. So 5 things you should know before you start marketing. What is your purpose? What is the cause along with its effect and side effects? What it is for? Who is it for? What is your promise? The need to identify these things before you start marketing is to figure out your ideal audience. Always remember, you cannot change everyone's perspective about what you offer. All you need to do is to find the right group of audience in the market and market your product to them and make them your customers or clients. Then deliver and try to over deliver your promise, because that has a huge potential to initiate the best piece of marketing, that is word of mouth. So eventually your happy customer may change the view of the people who couldn't change with your marketing effort. That brings us towards the end of our podcast today. Thank you so much for listening to us and hope this information helped you to understand marketing a little bit better. Leave a like if you think we provided you with value, and you can also leave your questions or comments. We will try to reply to them as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and the bell icon is your choice. Consider following us on social media. We are everywhere as Branding Media Group. Once again, this is Sky with Branding Media Group, where we do branding with consistency. Have a great day.